Eric Muathe from Muathe.com with another brief video on how to identify crypto swing trade opportunities. Let's take a look at ETC, Ethereum Classic, and here we are seeing it trade at 1630. I want to show you what I am looking at, and here what we're going to see is an opportunity for a swing trade. So question is, what is one to do when they see a stock that has come to challenge the 69.1 level and stall? And here we see it's challenging the 69.1 level again and another stall. Now keep in mind this rejection at the 69.1 level and also this one come with uniform activity where the stock is moving above 69.1 back below it with uniform action, 69.1 above it and back below it with uniform action. Now of course you'd have to conclude that given the double top rejection at the 69.1 level, that this is indication that the next swing trade is for lower prices. Keep in mind, I should have pointed out at the beginning here that this is a 4-hourly chart. And now go back to the chart, we see an improvement in prices coming with lower technical strength. That definitely is negative divergence. So given that also, the indication here is if one was to position themselves, then the best trend to expect direction is going to be lower because of the negative divergence and also because of the RSI 69.1 rejection. Now, if we go backwards a little bit more, we see that there was another high here, which is here, and this is also where we see 69.1 uniform activity rejection, where the stock goes above 69.1 and back below it with uniform action, and that is why we come off those levels and gradually we drift lower. Now if we zoom out even more and look at more data, we actually see another interesting point, which is the break point. So there's a break here off the highs. The price there was at about 26. We draw our uniformity resistance line, and we can see again confirmation that what was the break point of the RSI here, which is those price highs before we drift lower, became uniform activity rejection here, and now we've hit this twice. Again, the indication being that one can set themselves for a potential swing trade lower. Now if you actually even go outwards again, even beyond the current data, going to, let's say, so this is data going back, let me make sure we get the time frame, going back to March, see. As you can see, so this is in March of 2018. All right, so what we can do also is, if you connect this line here, connect it to the lows here, 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 this double bottom, and you see that there's a break, uniform activity rejection of those highs, double top rejection of those highs. Eventually you go above it, you have a couple of days to the upside, you break below it, it's a sell signal, resistance on the line for that top, and now we've hit this twice. So we can see that based on that, then this is telegraphing also that the best thing to do here in terms of a swing trade is to anticipate with a negative divergence, RSI 69.1 rejection, and then resistance on this line, that the next swing trade for ETC, and I would believe also coinciding with or in step with the other cryptos, is for a swing trade lower. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETHUSD.